Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. In fact, it's an honor to be here, and it has also been my honor to meet and know the late Chairman Modi. I represent a company called StemSite, and we have a joint venture business in India with the Cadila Pharmaceutical Company, and we're headquartered in Ahmedabad. So what I'd like to do is take a few minutes just to go through our company, what we do, and how we have innovated. I think innovation and constant improvement and continuous improvement is important regardless of what field you're in. I'll do this in about 5 minutes and then hand it over to my friend and colleague, Professor Wise Young, to speak more on innovation in general. So StemSite is an international stem cell therapeutic company. We collect donated cord blood units, process them, HLA type them, store them, and make them available to the best hospitals in the world for transplantation for life-threatening disorders. We've been doing this since 2000. We've done over 2,000 transplants, and we ship to literally the leading hospitals around the world. We have over 36,000 high-quality HLA-typed, racially diverse cord blood units available. And we began this company with a philosophy to build the largest and most racially diverse cord blood bank in the world. Because prior to 2000, virtually all the cord blood units in the world were Caucasian. We have operations in the United States, we have operations in Taiwan, and we have operations in India. India was our most recent. We began it in 2010. As a joint venture with the Cadila Pharmaceutical Company and with the Apollo Hospital Group. They're outstanding partners, and we're proud to be with them. We operate 3 business components. It's our public bank, our private bank, and our advanced therapeutics. I'll talk a little bit more about those. The foundation of the company is our public bank, where we have transplanted over 2,000 patients. We have a service business with the private bank. We're international. We're always looking and supporting new indications for the use of cord blood, stem cells, up to and including regenerative medicine. Now, we have a strategy, we have a philosophy, and Cadila also has a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. We were the first to create the largest, most racially diverse public cord blood bank in the world, and we did it by going to different countries. So we have an operation in Southern California, which allowed us to build the largest Hispanic cord blood inventory. We've also been under contract by the U.S. government since 2005 to build a national inventory of cord blood for the healthcare system. We have an operation in Taiwan to build an inventory of Chinese cord blood, and the next step for us was to go to India and to help build that inventory to treat the patients in India as well as people that match that HLA of Indian cord blood around the world. We were the first to create something called a hybrid business model, which is a public and private banking. We were the first to establish an advanced therapeutics initiative. I did that in 2003. I had been working with Professor Wise Young since 1995, and we wanted to see whether there were uses for the cord blood stem cells for non-blood related disorders. We were the first to sponsor a large clinical trial to treat and cure children with beta thalassemia major. We did that in Taiwan. It was very successful. We were the first to support clinical trials in humans using umbilical cord blood mononuclear cells to treat chronic spinal cord injury patients. And we've also gained approval to use the same umbilical cord blood mononuclear cells to treat chronic stroke. So what's next? We're being copied. We have to stay ahead of the competition. We have to continually improve and innovate. So we created something called a hybrid plus model, which is in fact to build a mononuclear cell library, where we can take one cord blood unit and use it to treat 5 to 10 patients. That drives the cost down, and it allows us to treat many, many more people. We're using and have developed an advanced cord blood cell processing, which is a closed system that automatically separates the mononuclear cells as well as platelet-rich plasma. Again, it lowers the cost and makes us gives us the opportunity to treat more people. We're using it as a base material, where we further isolate specific cells. We're developing products with platelet-rich plasma, and we will provide the mononuclear cells to many, many clinicians that want to try and treat this for other disorders. So for us, one of our missions is to keep improving and keep innovating and stay ahead of other people, other companies. And with that, thank you very much.